What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to just paint the bonnet and get it all colour coded, and also we're going to include the footage, or what's left of the corrupted footage from previously when we painted the rear spoiler, the boot lid and the front wings. I think we did the mirrors and stuff at that point in black as well. So it's just whatever's left. It's quite a short video. I'm going to top it off at the end with some pictures of how it used to look when it was out previously. It was like a road car before it was a drift car. So stand by and let me know your opinions on whether I should have left it as it was or whether you prefer it how it is now. Do us a subscribe, do us a like. We've got a Japfest at weekend, so we'll do a video on that as well. And yeah, hope you enjoy it, guys.
In audio.
What's up guys, so we've got the bonnet fully painted. As you saw there, it's a quick job that we've done ourselves, so it'll all be polished up. Going to be at Japfest as well next weekend. I'm going to be at York's JDM stand, I believe we're Club Stand 22, so feel free to come over and have a look at it. Don't be too judgmental, it is a drift car, but it's all completed. Looks weird being one colour and it's mad to have it out. Drop us a comment, let us know what you think. Hope you've done different. Obviously probably used a paint booth, would have helped. Give us a subscribe, give us a like, and we always love the comments, so do that. More to come, updates on the E36. We'll cover the Japfest show as well. Will it make it all the way to Silverstone? I think it's about 3 hours. I'm pretty confident.